Hey everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So you can download these project files. I will add download link. First step, let's create new background, solid, add name, background, and select color like this. Click OK and again OK. Lock layer. OK. And go to shapes, select ellipse tool. Hold shift and make ellipse. OK. And click this selection tool. Go to fill. Select fill color yellow. Click OK. Go to stroke and change stroke width 0. Okay, let's add name circle yellow. Okay, so in this time let's go to again make new shape wrenchel tool and make one wrenchel. Go to fill, change color light yellow, click OK. Nice. Select this yellow circle and this shape. Go to window, open a link and click this icon and this icon. Okay, change shape name line. Okay, then go to again shapes, select ellipse tool, hold alt and make one circle. Go to fill, change color pink, click OK. Change name circle pink. And go to add, select repeater. Okay, nice. Move to left, this repeater. Open repeater 1. Change copies 10 or 50. Okay, nice, not bad. Close this circle pink, then go to again pen tool and let's draw this line. Okay, like this, and click selection tool. Let's close fill. Let's click this fill and click none. Okay, change stroke height 5 or 10. Okay, change name wiggle line and go to add. Open wiggle paths, open here and change points corner to smooth. Okay, and change size like this and details. Okay, change 0, change size 10. Okay, nice. Let's see, nice animation. Okay, move to up and go to stroke, change color purple, click OK and Ctrl D for duplicate, move to down. Okay, then select this line, Ctrl D for duplicate and move to up, change scale and go to fill, change color white, again change scale and Ctrl D, move to up. Okay, then select these objects like this without this circle yellow, right mouse, precoms, add name objects, click OK. Then select this circle yellow, Ctrl D for duplicate, select this composition, move to center, and change none to alpha matte. If you not see here, click toggle switch and change none to alpha matte. Okay, nice. Then go to again shapes, select this rounded rectangle tool, and let's make object. Go to change stroke width 0. Okay, and change scale. Okay, nice. Let's close this shape layer 1 and go to shapes, select ellipse tool, hold shift and make circle. Okay, let's close fill, none, open width, change 20 and change color to white. Okay, click OK. Let's see. We can change scale 19. Okay. So, again go to pen tool and let's draw line. Hold shift and make line. Okay. Let's select this circle yellow object, yellow 2, and this object. Move to here. Okay. Then select this circle yellow, parent to this line. Let's change name line, main line, and this. Select these two layers, change color pink, and change name object 1, object 2, and select these all layers, all 2 layers, parent to this main line. Let's see, select this main line, press R. Okay, select this circle yellow 2 and objects, parent to this circle yellow. Let's see again. Nice. So in this time, select this main layer, go to palm behind and move the anchor point down. Okay. Okay, select this main line, press R, make rotation keyframe and change first keyframe 5 plus. Okay, go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift and press page down and change -5. Again go to 10 keyframe, change 5 plus, press N and let's see. Okay, this is very speedily. Select these keyframes, right mouse, keyframe ascent, easy ease, and hold alt, move to right. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So in this time, let's open object and select this circle pink, press P, make position keyframe, go to 10 keyframe, move to right, and go to again 10 keyframe, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, press N, let's see. Okay, and go to here for C keyframe, back to objects, select these keyframes, move to right, again back to here, C last keyframe, here, okay. Select these keyframes, right mouse, keyframe ascent, easy ease, let's see. Okay, back to here, let's see here. Okay, this very speedily. Let's go select this keyframe and move to left. Let's see again. Okay, nice. And select these wiggle lines, press P, make position keyframe, go to here and move to right, go to again here, Select first keyframes, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and smooth keyframe. Let's see. Okay. Then select this circle yellow, go to solo, select palm behind, move the anchor point down, and press R, make rotation keyframe, change rotation 3, and go to here, change -3, and go to again last keyframe, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and smooth keyframe. Let's see. Okay. Then select this circle, Ctrl D, again Ctrl D, select this circle yellow, change none to alpha matte, and change color dark yellow. Okay, and move to here. Let's change colors. Select this yellow, change color dark shadow, and select this color, change light color. Okay. Then select this circle yellow, change name shadow, and press P, make position keyframe, and move to here. Go to here and change right. Again go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and make smooth keyframe. Let's see. Nice. This is fake 3D effect. Not bad. Okay. So thank you for watching my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.